May it please the court.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, Mr. President. Thank you.
State your name for the jury, please.
None, nay, Nix.
And Mr. Nix, you're the father of Kayla Nix.
Yes, sir.
You're the father of Rebecca Tucker.
Yes.
And you're the husband of Mrs. Nix.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And obviously you remember Uri.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How often would you and or Tracey keep Uri?
Depending on the week, anywhere from 2 to 5 days.
Okay. Can you give we'll say a normal routine on how that would occur, the pickup and the delivery?
Most often would be me going to their office to pick up the child, and then I would bring her back to the house, and that's where usually Tracey would pick up.
Would pick up from there?
Yes.
Okay. And when you would drive to pick up Uri, what vehicle would you drive normally?
Normally was my truck.
Normally.
Pickup truck, yes.
Did you ever drive the red Lexus?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in the evening, how would she get, we'll say, redelivered to her parents?
Normally was her father, Drew, would normally come by after work.
Okay. And on occasion, did you drive the Lexus
Yes,
to either pick up or redeliver
pick up.
the child? Okay. And when you had the mirror adjusted to the back, were you able to see the car seat from the back seat, driver's side?
No, sir, not for me.
Okay. Now, you're a little taller than Tracey.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell us, would Tracey be able to, from her viewpoint, from what you saw in the Lexus?
Objection, speculation. Sustained.
If you're looking out the back window from the rear view mirror, is your view going to be the same as hers if it's properly adjusted?
Yes.
Okay. And did you ever, we'll say, have a situation where you got into the car and it was adjusted for Tracey?
Yes.
And y'all have some issues about that sometime?
Some minor discussion.
Okay. All right, thank you.
State, any cross? Briefly, Your Honor.
Mr. Nix, I just have a few questions for you. As far as the vehicle, the Lexus, it has windows, right?
Yes.
You can see through those windows?
Yes.
No further questions.
All right, redirect.
Yes, sir. On the day in question, could you see through those windows?
Yes.
And on the day in question, before Uri was found in the back seat, were you near that vehicle on your lawnmower?
Yes.
And could you look into the vehicle?
Not from where I was seated on the lawnmower,
Okay, and why was that?
because I was located a small distance from the car at approximately the same height as the driver.
Okay, and you could not see the child?
No.
Okay, thank you.
All right, he may be excused. Fletcher, may he be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Nix. State, defense, call your second witness.
Fence rest, Your Honor.
Okay, let's, come to a sidebar with the court, please. record. Members of the jury, we're going to take a brief recess. I've got to attend to some business with the lawyers, so it may be around about 25 minutes. So please take your time, you go to your cars, do what you need to do, but please be back in about 20 minutes.
All rise. You may be seated.
All right, everyone have a seat. Defense, do you have any motions you need to make? Do you have any motions you need to make, defense?
Yes, sir, renew our motion for judgment of acquitting Megan into the state's case.
All right, same ruling is denied.
I'm sorry, with a further caveat that verdict in this case would be against the weight of the evidence.
All right, with that, it's still denied unless the state wants me to go over any other argument.
No, Your Honor, the state would rely on previous argument.
Okay, let's bring Ms. Nix up here. Let's get her sworn in. I'd like her on the stand, please. You want to stand? You want to stand? Get Ms. Nix sworn in, please.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I do.
All right, Ms. Nix, have a seat. All right, so Ms. Nix, state your name for the record.
Tracey Ann Howard Nix.
Okay, this is a criminal trial brought by the state of Florida versus Tracey Nix, CF 22-289, Hardy County. You're the defendant in this action, and you've chosen not to testify. Is that correct?
Yes,
Is that of your own free will and volition?
it's on my lawyer's judgment.
Okay, so you're relying upon your lawyer's judgment not to testify.
Correct.
And you understand you have the independent right to override that judgment and to testify. Yes or no?
Yes,
So you understand that this is your ship and you're the captain of it. And you can testify if you so choose to, but you're relying upon the advice of your attorney. You're saying not to testify.
yes,
But it's your decision to make individually.
yes,
And you're still choosing not to testify.
yes.
Based on the hesitation, I'd like to take a short conference with Mrs. Nix.
Okay, let's have a brief conference with Mrs. Nix.
Can we go outside?
You can go outside, yes.